Move lang yung... Si Kitrak ba naman forma tol eh. Solid eh. Ewan ko, no offense kay Kitrak tol, pero mas magaling siya na ano, post 5 kaysa 4. Siguro dati nanggal na lang nila si Kitrak, kinuha nila si Skem. Tapos yung post 4 nila, same pa din. Si ano, sino yung post 4 nila nakaraan? Si Tio, paano ba pagkabasa dun? Tio Licor? Ewan ko, basta yun.
That was very bizarre. Like Fly, I think got caught like just playing around with his cogs instead of like maybe trying to get in front of this gank. But yeah, that was a really good dive. He's gonna be forced to pop the battery assault now, but Kitrak with another cookie.
Fly is right, no, tol? Kinik si Fly. Tapos siya nag-qualify ng pinakamalaking tournament. Damn. Kalaban pa nung nag-kick sa kanya. Shopify.
There's a lot of damage into RTZ. He is still level 5.
Ag-review. Wala na tol. Sobrang neutral lang namin eh. Parang wala nangyari. Kahit nung hindi pa kami nagka-qualify ng Riyadh. Parang before pa lang mag-bootcamp. Before mag-bootcamp pa lang okay naman na. Kasi kinausap kami ni Trek. Siyempre di mo kami mag-bootcamp na hindi kami okay. Tsaka awkward sa team yun. Minake sure lang namin na okay na kami personally bago maglaro ng qualifiers siya mga scrims.
Put some pressure onto the Night Stalker while it's still daytime and before he gets that level 6 online.
Kasi durog na durog. Sino tol? Bawa si RTC dyan. Simula durog na durog. Ito ba? Oo nga tol, pinagdadive siya. Ba't naman kasi? Hindi ko lang nakita, ba't NS carry to tol? Papansin naman. Ay, di pala, nagaganyan din pala ako dati.
Dude, these are massive kills. If they can get him a second time, he does. Okay, a little bit of taste of your own medicine scenario where they're like, alright, you're gonna die.
Hero talaga ni Gunner yan eh, no?
Primal? Oo, kahit nung mid player siya.
Massive dinosaur.
Naging primal yan dati, nung mid pa siya.
Diba, napanood lang primal ko siguro.
Pwede din.
Natsumi. Galing, lakas nga ni Natsumi, tol.
Hindi ako nakasama dun sa ano eh. Alis namin ni Namil ang puta. Nakatulog ako.
Ngayon?
Oo, si Kyle nga eh. Nakatulog din. Alam mo, ano ginawa na masahe.
Saan ba pupunta? Asan ba si Armel ngayon? Ah. Solid ko nga. Di ko sumasama.
Nga, kasi sabi niya umaga.
Plastic ka ba nun?
PM ko siya doy. Hanggang 8. Hindi siya nagre-reply. Ay, nakatulog na ako.
Sino nagko-call sa inyo? Lahat kami to, lahat. Kung ano timing ng hero mo.
Kami pa naman lahat na susunod. Susunod na lang doy.
He doesn't have the steal, but he gets a leech seed out. Decent chunk of damage, but Yopaj needs to be careful. Can't really afford to put himself in too much danger, but the blink reveal from Mind Control catches two. Gunner gets chopped. Yuma now in trouble as well as the Mortimer kisses from downtown doing work. Stolen from Lelis. He's going to do his own little role play there, try and bring down Lelis, or try to bring down Skem, but he does finally burn him down. But a scrappy
Ang tagal naman nito. 35 minutes yung... The fuck?
Yeah, they're bringing in a lot of heroes here. Gunner.
Tayo sobrang yaman ni Yopaj tol ah. 11k net worth.
King is just dead. The overgrowth and the call catches
Kaso talo.
everybody. You are not ready for this.
Ay hindi, panalo ata sila dyan. Game 1 yan, di ba?
Oh, game man. Panalo to.
Panalo sila dyan.
Uy, tongin mo. Ultra kill sa FC. Paano yan? Yung ginawa ni MC doon.
And they turn around, he gets the reincarnation 1 second before it's over, and they will turn around on to Fly, tries to ogre seal away, but can't do it. Gunner is just surrounded by the side of Shopify Scam, gets a huge overgrowth on the backside as well. Lelis will steal it, but Mind Control with another call. They're falling apart on Nouns, 4 dead as they look for Lelis now up onto the high ground, and guess what, RTZ is not gonna stop.
Tignan na natin yung game 5 nila tol. Kung paano sila natalo. Kangin na kasi di premium. Oh, katama lang po. Ay, thank you kay Bidsay sa gift sub, tol. Nami po sila ni Yuma, tol. Game 4.
GG is out. We are going to a game number. Weaver is
Teka lang, sino mid nila?
But there's the Sunray. They are
Ano si
losing
Japoy?
no health at all.
Or Shaker?
Like levels 1,
Okay.
2, and 3 in the lane. And now with the Night
Night
Stalker,
Stalker,
it
top lane, killing scary against CK, Axe, Storm.
it's not it's like levels 1, 2, and
Pangit yung drop nila, tol.
3 in the lane. And now with the Night Stalker there, it's not actually it's like levels
Lalaspig na sila, clings pa.
2 and
Puki ng ina.
that GG. And now
Ano pala magandang hero? Last pick dapat.
in the
Okay.
lane.
Ano ba, open?
Naga?
Life Stealer. Ano pa ba? TA?
Naga.
TA
Naga
open.
open.
Noga against Axe.
TA? Wala, nakaban TA. Ayan ah.
Asa na? Ay, iban pala. Tiny.
Nakaban din,
LS.
Doy. Nakabantay ni.
Kasi suggest to mga to eh. Tatangan nyo. LS na lang, sige.
Weaver is 5, baby.
Well, so.
Or Ursa. Pwede rin Ursa.
3 in the
Oo nga, Ursa na lang, tol. Against Axe, CK.
lane. And
Yaman na sila.
the problematic Arteezy
Lineup
walks over.
nila
They're
yun.
just gonna right click him to death, and that is first blood right out of the gate fast. And that's just too. They just walk at them.
Paano sila natalo dito? Doydorog ba sila
Talking
dito?
about, like, the matchup
Di
was
naman.
not
Parang
great
nagkamali
earlier.
lang sila.
Bottom lane, Kitrack in some trouble.
Okay
Finished
naman
off
sila eh.
by Fly.
Yung
He is
baba,
stuck
lugi
inside
yan.
the brambles
Sila.
and has
Lugi yung
nowhere
baba
to
nila.
go.
Pero Lugi talaga to.
Mind control.
Power treads, you'd see Clinks as
Given.
Top naman nila, okay naman eh. Sila at TC okay naman sa lane.
Oh, gets hit by an arrow.
Gago, okay na may bottom nila oh.
Yeah,
Baka nadalawan lang to, no?
The call comes out though. Gunner gets it off the level
Okay,
there.
Diyo, kakamatay nga lang.
Links, okay.
Last pick links
Good
yan ah.
turnaround top, but mid lane Skem with the wrap around. Not Fly up here. To the
Tingnan mo,
arrow.
yung last pick links nila.
Active the
Laging
slow's gonna allow
patay.
the axe to get close enough.
Okay
The
nang
call
inang yan.
into the arrow.
Bad trip.
Skitter step making a pretty big difference there as they will finish off the kill. Clinks is dead. Gunner gets bonked back into the tower, and that will
Okay naman si
actually turn
MC
it
ah,
around.
dami niya CS.
Fly's dead as
Putong
well.
ino mo,
Skem's
scheme
dead.
good.
Skitter, the slow's gonna allow
What
the
the
axe to get
fuck?
close enough. The call into the arrow. Skitter step making a pretty big difference there as they will finish off the
Pinagpipingpong,
kill. Clinks is dead. Gunner gets bonked back into the tower, and that will actually turn it around. Fly's dead as well. Skem gets a double kill. He's nearly level 5.
Skemberlo, doy. Tumitip ka pa, artisi, visit
taking
ka.
that much damage despite everything.
Well, level 6 comes out from Mind Control.
Okay naman,
The
ah.
immediate rotation into the
Di naman durog yung Night Stalker. Same network nga lang sa carry.
bottom side of the map there.
Hello, Breeze.
TP in on the axe.
Ay, si Breeze, papasokin mo.
Question is,
Pasa ka dito.
making
That's
this
my
mix
good
up.
to yun.
A little bit too tanky.
Uy! Putong ina mo, Mang Tomas! Sarap mo! Thank you sa 11 game subs. Solid ka naman, Mang Tomas. Unreal. Unreal ka, boss, Mang
early
Tomas.
in fly, he's got the urn, so that's gonna
Pag
top
may
him
gitin
back
si
off.
Breeze,
Here
Mang
comes
Tomas.
Yopaj.
Baka
You got
magpaulan din.
Phantasm. Axe is still here.
Doy, ayan,
Skem
Doy.
needs to be
Sumugsugal,
careful.
diba?
There's a
Ayan na
call
yung
in
sagot
1
to, si
second.
Breeze.
Wala eh. Wala na, nagbago na yun, baliw.
Dunk comes out. Gunner still alive. The extra
Dapat
moves
Si
yun,
Mang
baliw.
Tomas
Pag-all
naman,
ba yun
hihigitan
dito?
pa ata yung subs ko. Ay, may higitan ba yung subs mo? 120. Si Mang Tomas ba eh? Uy, gogo ka, 19 na. Itong ina mo.
Eventually brings down this
Sarap
axe.
mo, boss, Mang Tomas.
Goes to
Walang
Yopaj.
iya ako.
I mean, this is a really
Solid
deep
ka
dive,
to
and
eh.
now look, you have so many heroes incoming. Mind control grabbed by the bugs. Yopaj, RTZ, mind control. stuck
Teka lang
in the
guys, tignan
corner
lang
of the
natin kung
map,
paano
and
talo
here
Shopify.
comes Toppy. He wants his target, gets a
Lucky
mind control
6
hit.
Thank you kay Boss Seras, ho. Thank you sa subtol.
Diamond 10 times.
Teka lang, ano nangyari sa dive
Now,
nila
the
na
extra
yun?
move speed
The
still
fuck?
here.
Sumobra, Doy.
Needs to be careful. There's a call in 1 second.
Kasi tagal nila
He's got the urn,
makapatay,
so that's gonna
putik.
top him back off. Here comes Yopaj. You
Kailangan.
have Phantasm. Axe is still here.
Uy,
Stem,
Storm Doy,
needs to be
naglakad lang yan,
careful.
oh.
There's a
Hindi
call in
nag-TP
1
umabot.
second.
Ba't ganito?
Here comes
Nabuhay
RTZ
pa to
though.
si Gunnar?
Dunk comes out. Gunner still alive. The extra move speed. It's trying to get him away. But Yopaj.
Tang
I mean,
ina
this
mo,
is a-
pangit
This is a
nangyayari naman
really
sa
deep
kanila
dive,
tol.
but now look, you have so many
Unlock.
heroes incoming. Mind control grabbed by the bugs.
Tang
Yopaj.
ina kasi ngayon is ba't walang silence? Solid na may ENS, tol.
Really deep dive.
8 minutes,
Code
walang...
and search skill.
8 minutes, walang sa...
So many heroes incoming.
Di sanay
Mind
mag-ENS.
control by the bugs.
Yung first 5 minutes pa naman, gabi. Kailangan mo level 1 silence talaga, level 3. Kasi gabi yung first 5 minutes.
RTZ mind control stuck in the corner of the map, and here comes Copy. He wants his targets.
Okay lang
Gets
yan
on
to eh.
top of mind
Bati lang siya
control.
sanay.
Yan, nangyari na, di ba?
Lelos on the backside.
Di sanay, TI winner yan eh. Loloko mo ko, Lul.
Baka hindi lang siya nag-ENS, Joy.
Kina yung platinum nga ENS, oh.
How did we get here?
Platinum yung level.
Sa pro, Doy, laging ano yan eh. Tight to tight yung ano niyan, hero niyan.
Part of it was Lelos obviously finding a lot earlier. Trying to so bad, Axe comes in, gets the call, the pullback.
Kaya tayo pansinin ni Ubris ay pumasok.
Tama na yan, yung bros. Okay na ngayon.
Neutrals are not very neutral sometimes.
Not at all. The fact that they can detect invis units is wild.
Di ako nagising, boss, Igad. Di kasi nagre-replay si Loti eh.
Ba't sumunod ka na lang? Isang bus lang yun.
Ang inon, layo-layo nun, Doy.
They
Ano
have
mayu-
Clinks, they see him, he's fallen low. Yuma wants to close the gap. Gunner with an aggressive blink on 4.
Phylactery. Okay lang na may phylactery na first item, tol. Na ginagawa ko din minsan sa PUBG yun. First item, phylactery.
Di rin naman nakasama si Carlo eh. Kasi magko-qualify daw siya eh. Maglalaro sa qualifier.
Si Barla?
Si Barla. Bali
Bali
si Kailan talaga nandun.
Kind of appeared out of nowhere.
EPs
So they
are
all
coming.
scattered out.
Paul comes in from the axe. He gets RTZ. There's the arrow as well. The Starstorm to pull back. He's
Bakit
just...
nyo
Wala
ito?
pa yung laro ng
Natalo kayo
TNC.
ng game 5. Putong
Oh,
ina.
no.
yung laro
For
ng TNC,
Shopify,
wala pa.
this is starting to
Nandun
sound
siya,
like
ano,
a monster.
Breeze, sumunod siya,
Copy can
nagbas siya.
always join on the bottom side of the map at the outpost.
Nagbas
They
siya.
do see mind
Ikaw yung
control
tanga,
on the
Ubris.
board
Sinabihan mo
for
pa
the
akong tanga,
moment.
nagbas
Also
nga.
see RTZ. He gets him. The gem is there. He's just trying to
Sumunod,
close the gap.
gago.
The Orchid's out the blade mail into the call. And oh boy,
Nandito
we've
si
seen this
Kyle.
one
Nandun daw si
before.
Kyle sa kanila eh.
They almost had
Sa
it
DC?
too.
Ay, hindi siya tumuloy?
They're coming in for their own play now.
Wala naman ah.
Shopify
Sang DC
are in
yan.
shambles right now. Gunner, who's he find? He
Daldal nyo pareho. Kinangina nyo pareho kayong tanga.
It's gonna be Yopaj. There's the arrow. In comes Yuma. Chop down.
Doy, nangaaway ka, lunis ngayon, Doy ah.
Will be second. RTZ on the run of the BKB, but he cannot get away from this CK. He can't get away from Copy. He's laying in what damage he can, but he finally falls. Gunner hobbling away on his slur of HP. Will succeed.
Tignan mo clip ni Abid. Kinangina mo, kampi ko yun. Malamang nakikita ko doon. Tarantado ka. Gago, nagwala si Abid nung game to, Doy. Parang binigyan kami ng apoy. Game 2.
Ah,
Ginalawan ng ginalawan.
Alas 6 pa pala susunod si Kyle.
Kina, ba't ba dito mo kinikwento si Kyle?
Si Ubris kasi Doy.
Ah, si Ubris ba? Putangin mo kasi Ubris, i-chat mo na lang si Lu. Buisit.
Kaya nga.
Sorry, di pala Wednesday, guys. Hindi,
Butol yung sungay nito ni Doy.
Inaantay kasi namin nilo yung ano tol eh, TNC, ang tagal.